how to fix screen dimming on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness. After click on display and brightness, if you want to fix this problem, so decrease adaptive brightness. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so again click on display and brightness and click on light mode. After click on light mode, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so restart device. If you want to restart device, click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen dimming on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.